plan on ordering from DSW, do not pay full price for these shoes. Hi you guys, it's Miss T and I am back with another V to the I to the D-E. Oh, that's right, I am back with another video, y'all. So since it's cold outside, it's January, I was in need of shoes, y'all. So let me tell you, I am on the hunt for some good winter boots or some good winter booty type shoes, whatever you want to call them. Anything. Anyway, I want like fur inside of the shoes. Okay, so we're going to start by looking at the first pair of shoes that I have gotten from DSW, all right? So these shoes for the grand reveal are the TOMS. They're TOMS, y'all, and they're the Paxton, okay? And I wear a size 8.5, but I had to get this shoe in a size 9, all right? So let's go ahead and pull the shoe out. This is what the shoe looks like, y'all. Yup, that's the back side view. There you go. That's the underside view. I haven't even worn the shoes yet, y'all. I got the shoes on yesterday. I ordered them from DSW and I went and picked them up. Now, let's just say this. I usually order shoes from Zappos, but I don't know what's going on with Zappos right now. Everything is out of stock, especially boots. All of the nice looking boots, y'all, they are out of stock. So I have a pair of shoes coming later today. It's a pair of Uggs, and I'll review those in another video. But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to review this shoe, which is the Paxton. So I originally ordered an 8.5. I got to the store, and before I left with my shoes, the guy asked me if I wanted to try them on. So I went ahead and I tried them on, and yeah, the 8.5 was a little too tight. So I asked them if they had it in a wide, and the guy said, no, it only comes in the regular width. And I was like, okay, so if I have to get the regular width, which is a medium width shoe, I probably should go up a size just to get a little bit more room in the shoe. Now, mind you, I had on some very thin black socks because I always wear black socks with shoes of this type. I pretty much wear black socks all the time unless I'm wearing decorative wool socks like around the house. And y'all, that's a whole nother issue because let me tell you, wool socks and Berber carpet just don't go together well, okay? You will get a hole in your wool socks really quickly. So yeah. Whew. Anyway, but that's another topic, okay? Anyway, back to this shoe. So the shoe was feeling tight in the 8.5. I went up to the 9 with my thin socks on, y'all, and they worked. I was able to get a more roomier shoe once I decided to get the 9. So this is kind of how the shoe goes. The shoe doesn't have a string. It has a piece of elastic right here. Yeah, it has a piece of elastic right there to kind of help keep the shoe in place and, you know, feeling really comfortable and stuff like that. And this is a faux fur, y'all. It feels good. It is all the way throughout the shoe, like all the way to the top of the shoe. Yeah, and it's good. It's a 9. Actually, it says right here that it's a wide 9. I know that says a wide. Y'all might not be able to see that. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a wide 9. The guy told me they didn't have it in wide. Let's look at the box again. Maybe I'm mistaken about what's going on here. Well, not a wide 9. I am mistaken. That's a women's 9. It's all right, y'all. It's all right because this is like my first pair of TOMS shoes. I normally don't buy TOMS shoes, okay? So this is the other shoe, y'all, and it has the tags on it. And what it's saying about the shoes is nothing, okay? It says comfort foam insoles. Y'all, online it says that the shoe is supposed to be water resistant. So yeah, you know, I believe them. I haven't worn the shoe yet, but I do feel like the shoe is going to be a very comfortable shoe for me. Yeah, just because I needed something like these. Now, what type of outfits do I plan on wearing these with? I plan on wearing these with my jeans. So most of the time you won't be able to see this because most of my jeans are kind of wide cut at the bottom. I don't really do skinny jeans because, you know, Miss T ain't all that skinny. But y'all, I don't really do them because of it. And I kind of got wide hips and stuff like that, and you know, so I try to get my jeans where they look good on me in any scenario, not too tight, not showing thing that it shouldn't be showing and all that type of stuff. But yeah, that's another subject for another time. Anyway, this is the shoe. This is the Paxton. It's by the TOMS brand, y'all. I got a size 9 because that's the size that I wear. So I do recommend, well, I got a size 9. It's not the size that I wear, but that was the most comfortable size for me. So I normally wear 8.5 in any shoe, but this shoe right here was running just a bit tight. In the medium width, it was running just a little bit tight. And according to the salesman, now I have not went online to check, this shoe does not come in wide. So you just gonna either have to go up a size, or you're gonna have to deal with your shoe being too tight, which probably if I had gotten the 8.5 and I walked in them for a while, they probably would have loosened up. But I don't wear my shoes that often. Shoes like this, I don't wear that often. I try to keep them clean and stuff. You know, so I only wear these if I'm going out and it's like, you know, a special occasion. These are not going to be my everyday shoes. So it would probably take me a while to walk these into a comfortable position. So yeah, that's what's up with that. But anyway, you guys, don't forget to like and comment on this video, you guys. I will leave the link down below so that if you want to purchase a pair of the same shoes that I got, you can go ahead and purchase them. Now, y'all, these shoes are almost $85, y'all. I'm going to put a clip up here. You see that? You see how much these shoes cost? Okay, y'all, if you plan on ordering from DSW, do not pay full price for these shoes, okay? If you plan on ordering from anywhere, do not pay full price for these shoes. Miss T be on a budget, y'all. Make sure you get a coupon. Make sure you get a coupon before you order these shoes from anywhere, all right? Yes. You guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and until next time.